Hello, it is me, Grayson, again. Let's get started with this crossing tour on 10th Avenue, Nashville, Tennessee. To start off, we have a unmarked base. And a unique looking cantilever. If anyone knows what company made this cantilever, let me know. And finally, Western coins. Now let's go to the second signal. Second signal. Unmarked base. Western coin mechanical bell. And finally, Western coin railroad crossing lights on the cantilever. Very short crossing video, I do have to say, since there's no gates and there's only one set of lights that's being on the cantilever. So yeah, I'll see y'all in the next one.